Hello everyone, let's take a look at question 18. So, in this question, part A, we need to find the value of x. So, in this picture, there are two places that we can find x. Here we have the angle x, and here we have the angle 2x. Obviously, x is easier to find than the 2x. Okay, so that's good. Here we have x. We can use adjacent angles on straight line, okay, to find x. So let's write it down. X plus 130 equals to 180. Adjacent angles on straight line. Okay, and then we can now find out the x by solving the equation, which that is x equals to 50. Oh, sorry, I should minus 130 here. So the x is 50. Okay, let's see part B. Is AOC a straight line? So we want to check if AOC is a straight line. So in other words, we want to check the angle AOC. Is it a straight angle? So straight angle, that is, we want to check if the angle is 180. So, because if the angle AOC equals to 180, means AOC must be a straight line. Okay, we want to check this. So in other words, we want to find the value of the angle AOC. So AOC, which is 130 plus x. So just now we found out that x is 50. Oh, that's great. We have shown that AOC is 180. That means AOC is a straight line. So we have finished the. Is it that we have finished the answers? No, I'm sorry to tell you, everything here is wrong. We have one important step which is wrong, and the rest of them are wrong. So which step is wrong? Let's go back to the questions. Let's take a look at the first step. So here, this reason means adjacent angles on straight line. So however, the question doesn't mention AOC is a straight line. So if the question doesn't say AOC is a straight line, although it looks like a straight line, it's not a straight line. It's not a straight line. So therefore, we cannot say it is a straight line just because it looks like a straight line. And so we cannot use this theorem. We can use because we don't have any straight line. So be very careful. Make sure that you read the questions carefully and check every conditions. Because it doesn't mention AOC is a straight line, you cannot say so. And the second reason is, if AOC is a straight line, then why part B asks you, is it a straight line? It's not reasonable to ask you if it is a straight line, if it is given in straight line. And so we need to, everything here is wrong, so we need to do it again. So here, so what should we do? Because we are not sure if AOC is a straight line, but we are sure that all the four angles are located at the same point. So we can use the angles at a point. That is 2x plus 130 plus x plus 86 equals to 360. This must be true because all the angles are at point O. So we can use this reason for sure. Okay, then you try to find out the value of x. Okay, so you do the calculation on your own. Then after that, we need to check if AOC is a straight line. So it's the same idea that we need to check if AOC equals the angle AOC equals to 180. So how do you check it? Very easy. Just find out the angle AOC. Okay, this time angle AOC, you can either check 130 plus x, or you will find the value 2x plus 86. As long as either one of them is equals to, if this is equals to 180, then yes, it is a straight line. If it is not equal to 180, then it is not a straight line. So you can check if either one of them is equals to 180. Because why we only need to check one of them? Because if this is 180, if the angle on this side of the line is 180, then the other side, the angle of it on the other side will be also 180. So we only need to check one side of only. So I think this side will be easier because we have the calculation is easier for x. So check if x is the value you get from A. So check if it is equal to 180.